Now we're on Strand Road here, and why are we here? Because there used to be baths here, Sandymount Baths, and this brickwork, especially that yellow brickwork, this was the entrance to the pier of Sandymount Baths. So let's go around here. Carefully step over here. And there we have it. Here are the baths. 1883 they were opened and extended in 1884. Baths became very popular on the coast out to Blackrock, even around Bray at the Cove. So it would have been a pier that would have gone from the road right out to the baths, and the baths kind of fell into disrepair and closed in 1920. So let's go down and have a look at the what's left. It's a bit messy out there. Very popular spot for walkers. Let's get down these steps here. Fantastic panoramic view of Dunleary right across the bay. There's the iconic towers at Pigeon House, and there are the baths as well. So you can see where the pier would have come right out from the road, right across here, wooden pier, and straight ahead there, and would have been a platform there into the baths. And it's all that remains now. It's over 100 years since they were used. Graffiti seems to get everywhere, doesn't it? Let's just see if we can walk out a little bit here. It's not too bad. Just to take in a little bit more in the background there, you have Tree Rock Mountain, and we're in Sandymount obviously. In the background the Sydney Parade, and I just come from Buddhistown. I've just come from the cemetery down there, and you can see in the background is Longford Terrace. That's Dunleary, and I live in Blackrock, Kersford Avenue. So just a little video on the baths. I'll post a link, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.